Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hira Rubab, and today we will discuss about percussion and auscultation of abdomen. So हम पहले देखते हैं कि regions of the abdomen. The abdomen is divided into 9 regions by 4 imaginary lines, 2 horizontal and 2 vertical. Upper horizontal line connects the lowest points on the costal margins, and lower horizontal line connects tubercles of the iliac crest. Two vertical lines pass through mid in lingual points. So अब देखते हैं परकशन। तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं परकशन करते कैसे हैं। For percussion we place the left middle finger, which is called pleximeter, parallel to the border of the organ which is to be percussed. और ये फिंगर जो है ये पर्न कॉन्टेक्ट में होना चाहिए विद आवर बॉडी सरफेस। और जो हमारे राइट हैंड की मिडल फिंगर है जिस कॉल्ड फ्लेक्सर, इसे हम स्ट्राइक करते हैं मिडल फिंगर मिडल मिडल फैलेंक्स को ऑफ द प्लेक्सीमीटर एट राइट एंगल। और ड्यूरिंग परकशन परकस करते हुए जो मूवमेंट होती है हमारे हाथ की, वो एट द मूवमेंट ऑफ रिस्ट होनी चाहिए, नॉट एट द एल्बो। सो परकशन देखते हैं कि इट हेल्प्स टू आइडेंटिफाई द साइज एंड पोजीशन ऑफ सॉलिड ऑर्गन लाइक स्प्लीन एंड लिवर, help to identify amount and distribution of gas and fluid filled. Large dull sounds indicate underlying masses. Normally percussion on liver and spleen are dull, and over kidney resonant, and large and lungs are resonant note. So सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करते हैं percussion of liver को। So the liver span estimated by percussion, it's normally 10 to 12 centimeter, and upper border from second intercostal space through mid clavicle line. Start percussion on chest moving down where notes becomes resonant to dull. It will be upper border. Lower border percuss from right iliac fossa to upward where notes changes from resonant to dull. Measure vertical distance from upper border to lower. It will be 10 to 12 centimeter. अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं percussion of spleen. Percuss spleen from right iliac fossa toward left hypochondrium to assess splenomegaly. If it's enlarged, then spleen expand downward and medially move toward right iliac fossa and pushed umbilicus to be flat. अब डिस्कस करते हैं हम percussion of bladder. Percuss the area above the bladder public symphysis. Percussion normally produce tympanic sound. And अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं urinary bladder. Percuss from epigastrium toward hypogastrium and percuss not dull if urinary bladder is distended. Other message is ascites. Shifting dullness may patient lie in spine position. Percuss from midline to level of umbilicus towards flank. If ascites are dull not before extreme of flank, ask patient to turn position and examine again. Fluid thrill में patient lie on back, place left hand over left lumbar region. Tap with right hand on the right lumbar region. If definite impulse is here felt by left hand, then the thrill is positive. Ovarian cyst and hydrated thrill. In ovarian cyst, percussion note is dull in midline and resonant in flank. Hydrated thrill में elicited over an abdominal hydrated cyst. Place 3 fingers over swelling. Percuss with middle finger of right hand. Thrill felt by other 2 fingers is swelling due to hydrated cyst. अब देखते हैं ऑस्कल्टेशन ऑफ एब्डोमेन। तो ऑस्कल्टेशन हम करते हैं स्टेथोस्कोप की हेल्प से। So it provides important information about ball motility. Decreased motility suggests peritonitis, and increased motility suggests obstruction. Listen sound with diaphragm of stethoscope. Normal ball sounds are Gurgling and absent sounds are peritonitis and ileus. Broads are high pitched sound due to obstruction of flow due to narrowing of arteries. Listen midline and right or left upper quadrant. So thank you.